A worker is unloading cargo using a liftgate. Both an electric pallet jack and a load are on the platform, and at first everything seems normal. However, as the total weight increases, the system begins to struggle. The platform can no longer support the load, and it suddenly collapses downward, causing the worker to lose balance and fall along with the load, all within seconds. These types of platforms are designed for a specific capacity, and once that limit is exceeded, the system reacts immediately, so the total weight must always be monitored, and limits should never be exceeded. At an intersection, an SUV moving at high speed makes contact with a vehicle making a U-turn. Although the collision initially seems minor, the vehicle's balance is instantly disrupted. The SUV loses control, swerves to the left, crosses the median, mounts the sidewalk, and crashes toward parked vehicles, causing damage within seconds before finally coming to a stop. Everything happens very quickly, and in such situations, the greatest risk is the loss of control caused by speed, because even a small impact can turn into a chain reaction at high speed. A worker is focused on making adjustments on a machine. While concentrating fully on the task in front, he fails to notice the area behind him. At that moment, a part of the machine or a pushing mechanism suddenly moves backward, trapping the worker in place, all within seconds. The worker manages to pull back by reflex and escape, but this moment shows how unpredictable machine movements can be. In such environments, the biggest risk is the loss of situational awareness, because automated systems follow cycles, not conditions, so the work area must be constantly monitored, and an escape path should always be maintained. In a confined space, two workers lean an extension ladder against the bed of a pickup truck to access a building. Everything seems workable at first. However, because the surface is narrow and unstable, as soon as the climb begins, the ladder's feet start to slip. The balance quickly fails, and the ladder swings sideways, hitting the truck bed, with the entire setup going out of control within seconds. In such improvised setups, the biggest risk is the instability of the ground, because even a small shift can affect the entire system instantly. So ladders should always be placed on a flat, solid surface and securely stabilized. During a training session, a helicopter begins taxiing on the runway. While everything appears under control, it suddenly jolts sideways. The balance rapidly deteriorates, and before the pilot can recover, the aircraft starts to tilt. Within seconds, control is completely lost, and the helicopter overturns on the runway, with parts scattering around as the training is immediately stopped. In such systems, even the smallest imbalance can lead to major consequences, because helicopters rely on precise balance, and even a minor control error can instantly trigger a chain reaction. In a shopping mall in Zhenjiang, everything appears normal, as a woman is shopping. But suddenly, the floor of the store begins to collapse without warning, and the woman, along with nearby products, falls into the forming pit, while another customer narrowly escapes by stepping back at the last moment, all within seconds. In such incidents, the biggest risk is assuming the ground is safe, because ongoing work underneath or structural weaknesses can cause the surface to collapse unexpectedly. On a city bus, a passenger is sitting near the door as the doors begin to close automatically. At that moment, his arm gets caught between the door panels, and he quickly pulls it out by reflex. However, when he angrily hits the door, his leg briefly gets caught in the mechanism, which he then frees as well, and the force of the movement damages a nearby glass panel, all within seconds. In such systems, the biggest risk is sudden and uncontrolled reactions, because automatic doors operate in a fixed sequence, and when forced, they can lead to unexpected outcomes. So staying calm and acting in a controlled manner is critical. A technician is working near high-voltage power lines. While everything seems under control, a powerful electrical arc suddenly forms, and with the flash and energy discharge, the technician is hit by a sudden jolt, all within seconds. In such environments, the biggest risk is the invisible nature of energy, because any intervention without cutting the power can instantly turn dangerous. So before starting work, the energy must be isolated, safe distance maintained, and proper protective equipment used. During a canal operation, an excavator is moving on a floating platform while placing steel elements. Although everything seems routine, the barge is already submerged under heavy load, and each movement strains the balance further. As the excavator moves toward the edge, the weight shifts forward, the platform flexes, and suddenly the balance is completely lost. The barge tilts sideways as water begins to flood in, and the machine rapidly slides forward, falling nose first into the canal, all within seconds. In such situations, the biggest risk is underestimating surface stability, because once the weight shifts, the platform can fail instantly without giving any chance to react. At a fuel station, a heavy truck is parked close to the pump. While everything appears routine, an unnoticed risk is present. The truck's tires are under high pressure and seem fine from the outside. But suddenly, one of them explodes violently, releasing a powerful air shock wave that shakes the surroundings, all within seconds. In such cases, the biggest risk is underestimating the pressure inside the tires, because heavy vehicle tires store significant energy, and when released uncontrollably, the danger emerges instantly, so a safe distance should always be maintained around such vehicles.